Hello and welcome to Schmiedmann. My name is Henrik and I'm the product manager here. So recently we got this in the mail and I wanted to do a little showcasing so you can see what exciting products that are even for some of the older generations. So this is a throttle body kit and it fits the engines M52 TU and the M54s. So this is the later generations of the E46 and the E39s. It will fit other models like the early E60s and some Z4 models as well. So what do you get in this kit? You get individual throttle bodies, all 45 millimeters. You'll get some of the hoses you'll need to run an air intake, a custom made kit here with a airbox that is very unique and will give you a very different sound compared to the standard one in your car. Furthermore, you'll get some increased power. Everything here is made to be plug and play, so it should be very easy to fit and install on your car. It comes with all the gaskets you need as well. But furthermore, you will need a tune on your car to make it run perfectly smooth. Otherwise, it will run rough. So a tune is a must in this case. Furthermore, if you need a TÜV approval, this kit will not be for you. It does not come with these documents. But if you need it, we may be able to find something for you. They make a ton of kits for all generations of models, so hit us up and we'll see what we can find for you. So what do you get in this kit? You get sound, you get power increase and a plug and play kit, and of course it will dress up your engine room like something you've never seen before. So that's all for now. Let's get some close-up shots of this lovely kit and that's all for now.